So the first thing to understand about Trimble Connect is how the licensing works. So what will happen is if you can purchase a Connect business license, or if you have a version of Trimble Access and a controller that's under warranty, you'll also get a Connect business account alongside that warranty. So as long as that warranty is valid, um, then you'll have the Connect Business license. It's also important to say that in order to use the Connect Business account in Trimble Access to upload data backwards and forward from the controller, both the controller will need to be under a hardware warranty as well as a software warranty. So you would need both in order for that to work. So what would happen is if you have a Trimble Access or you buy a business account, um, basically we will assign these to usually an individual who would be the admin, who would be in charge of the licenses. And what you would have to do is if you go into just on the internet, Trimble License Manager. So when you go into Trimble License Manager, if you haven't already created a Trimble ID, you'll be asked to create a Trimble ID. This should be the same email address as the email that was used to assign you the Connect Business or the Trimble Access to. Once in here, in your license manager, what you would see is any subscriptions that have been applied to yourself as administrator, you would see them in here. So under licenses, I've got Connect Business, and I've also got a license for myself for TBC, basically a subscription version of Trimble Business Centre license. So within here, if you're the admin, these will be assigned to you, but they're not always automatically assigned you as a license. You can be the admin and control it, but you don't have the actual license itself. So you'll see here I've got some different Connect Business accounts, and it tells me the expiry. I've assigned one to myself and another one to Jock. And down here, if I wanted to assign a new user, I can add plus new user, and I can put their email address in. They'll get the email telling them they've got a Connect Business account. You would assign that email to their Trimble ID, or if they don't have one, they'll get the email and they can create a new Trimble ID from there. If they're an existing user, you can just select them from the drop down. So if you had 3 controllers and 3 users on site, you would basically give each one of them a business Connect Business license basically to log in. Likewise, with stuff like RealWorks, TBC, anything you have on subscription, it's a similar idea. Basically, you can add those people to it, add the person to the license, or remove them from the license, and they won't be able to log in from there. And once you have assigned your users a subscription license, that's then they are then able to log into Connect Business using their email address that you've assigned and their login credentials.